Are you constantly swatting away mosquitoes or battling bugs in your garden? What if I told you the solution? It's already growing in your herb pot. These powerful plants actually help repel insects like mosquitoes, flies, moths, and even garden pests like beetles and aphids. In this video, I'll walk you through a list of incredible herbs that are easy to grow and packed with pest-fighting powers. So let's get started. Let's kick things off with basil. You've probably used it in pasta or pizza, but did you know basil naturally repels mosquitoes and flies? Its strong aroma confuses pests and keeps them from flying near your windows or outdoor sitting areas. A few pots of basil on your kitchen windowsill or balcony can help reduce bugs while giving you easy access to fresh leaves for cooking. Next up is lavender, a favorite for its calming scent. But bugs hate it. Lavender is known to deter moths, fleas, flies, and mosquitoes. It grows well in pots or garden beds and adds beauty to any space with its purple flowers. Place it near entrances or outdoor furniture for a bug-free, relaxing environment. Now let's talk about rosemary. Not only is it delicious with roasted vegetables and meats, but it's also a powerful natural repellent. Rosemary keeps mosquitoes, flies, and other insects away, especially in hot, dry climates where it thrives. You can grow it in containers or right in your garden bed. Mint is another must-have. We love its refreshing scent, but pests do not. Mint repels ants, mosquitoes, and a variety of other insects. Be careful though. Mint spreads quickly, so it's best grown in containers. You can place mint pots near doors, patios, or kitchen counters. The smell is strong, clean, and perfect for both pest control and homemade tea. Lemongrass is a taller, tropical-looking herb that smells like lemon, and it's famous for repelling mosquitoes. Why? Because it contains citronella, a natural oil used in many insect repellent sprays and candles. Let's move to thyme, a tiny herb with big benefits. It's especially good at deterring cabbage worms and whiteflies, which often attack vegetable gardens. Thyme grows well in small pots or as ground cover in raised beds. Just a few sprigs around your leafy greens can help protect them without using any harmful pesticides. Sage is not only great for stuffing recipes, it's also excellent at keeping pests away. It naturally repels cabbage moths, carrot flies, and beetles. Its soft, gray-green leaves look beautiful in containers and garden beds alike. Grow it next to your brassicas or carrots for extra protection and aroma. Here's a fun one, catnip. You may know it as a treat for cats, but it's also one of the most powerful natural repellents out there. Catnip is extremely effective at keeping mosquitoes and flies away. Some studies even say it works better than DEET. If you don't have cats, you should still consider adding this pest-fighting herb to your garden lineup. Though it's not technically an herb, marigold deserves a spot on this list. These bright, cheerful flowers are great companion plants and help repel aphids, mosquitoes, and even rabbits. You'll often find them growing next to tomatoes and herbs in vegetable gardens. Lastly, we have chives. These slender green stalks are perfect for salads and for keeping bugs away. Chives are known to repel aphids and carrot flies, making them a smart choice for gardeners growing root vegetables. Like most herbs, they grow well in containers and need minimal care. So, which of these herbs are you going to add to your garden or balcony? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy plant care and gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.